All right, well, after a lot of you viewers jumped in here and gave me some of your ideas, along with some Google searching of my own, we determined that there's something called a comfort control module that rests underneath this carpet. So we got the seat out, no big deal. Took a bunch of crap off from under here. Didn't want to bore you with it. And look at this. This is the comfort control module. And the comfort control module sits underneath that puddle of water. As you can see, we got tons of wires submerged that go to this wiring harness here. And I think you can see this is still soaking wet. It was literally completely submerged underwater. So what do you think the problem is? Yes, we've already checked all the fuses, had a couple blown ones, replaced them. All the fuses are good. But this little module controls, oh, I don't know, the locks, remote keyless entry, the windows, the roof, and the trunk. All the things that don't work. Let's get it out, tear it apart, and see if we can salvage it. All right, so here is the comfort control module. And this is not repairable. That probably goes without saying. We have a capacitor right here. This thing, the leg's completely disintegrated. It may have actually exploded. This thing smells like burnt electronics because it's severely burnt and fried. You can see the burns on the circuit board. You can actually see the traces coming through the circuit board. This thing is toast. This is the main power going in right here. This big connectors for the power. You can see all the corrosion and you can see the burns from the voltage going through the board. So this is shot. So next step, let's find a new board. So as it turns out, we've got the part number here. There's a couple numbers that you really need to try to match up. This one and this one right here. The 33C3 and then the E at the end. Well, after doing some research on eBay here, I found one. There is only one of these available. You can get them brand new from Audi for between $550 and $650. But here's one on eBay, used, guaranteed, all the numbers match. You can look right here. You can kind of compare these two. You can see all the numbers match up. So as much as I really hate to do this, I guess we don't have much of a choice other than to just, you know, it is what it is. This is what happens when you get into these foreign cars, right? Damn. All right, so we just placed the order, and I sent him a note asking him to please ship it ASAP so we can get some more of this done. Well, it looks like that's how we're going to end this video. The car is torn apart. We've got the carpet up. We've got the water out, as you can see. You can actually see the water line right there. You can see how high it got. That's, it's only on the driver's side though, so I'm not exactly sure what happened here. And I guess at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter. The car does still run. I've been reading a lot on Google, and a lot of people say that the key won't work without that module. The key works. The car runs. So I'm hopeful that we can just replace that control module with a used one that has the same model number, and it'll be plug and play. But I've read that it doesn't work that way. Some people say it does. Some people say it doesn't. Some people say you got to have Audi program it. There's also a like a VCCD or something that you can buy for like $300 and then download software and put it on a Windows laptop, and we'll see, I guess. Right now, unfortunately, my computer seems to have one of those model numbers. It's expensive. It's not a $79 model number. Mine looks like it's going to be around $350, and hell, brand new, they're $600. It is what it is. It is what it is. I guess we're going to find a, I'm going to try to find a reasonably priced used unit that we can throw in here. and see if we can get this thing on the road. So I don't know if we'll have any more videos on this for at least another few days. I guess we'll see. Wish me luck. We've got the water out of it. My brother came in here and got all the water sucked out with a shop vac. It was literally half of my shop vac, and I've got a big one. Half of that was full of water. We're going to leave these halogen lamps, along with this being lifted up like this, try to get some air in there, try to get the heat to help dry all of this out. And I guess we'll come back. I don't know what else to say. That's unusual for me, but man, oh man, I thought this was going to be a cheap, easy fix. It looks like this is going to cost a little more than I expected, but it is what it is. You know, we got to get the project done, and that's what we're going to do. So I guess that's it. Tim says, hi everybody, and thank you guys for watching. If you like the content, give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not already a subscriber. I certainly appreciate it. Whew. The stinking Lincoln is down at Weird Beard Auto Sales now, ladies and gentlemen. So that thing might sell here in the near future. I'm excited, man. There's some things that I'm not going to talk about yet, that I can't talk about yet, but I'm excited because things are really starting to look up. So give this video a big thumbs up and tell me what you think. Comment below. Do you think just a used CCM will be plug and play on this, or do you think we're going to have to take it down and get it programmed? I don't know. Comment what you think, and I guess we'll find out as time goes on. I appreciate you guys taking time to watch. Stay safe out there, everybody, and I'll catch you very soon in the next one.